Welcome to another episode of English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we bring you a realistic 1-minute office conversation packed with common phrasal verbs you can use in your daily work life. Whether you're preparing for a job, improving your fluency, or just want to sound more natural in English, this dialogue will help you pick up useful expressions, work through real-life challenges, and brush up on your business English skills. Let's jump right into it. Did you manage to wrap up the report? Not yet. I was about to, but something urgent came up, and I had to deal with that first. I get it. I had to put off my client call because the internet went down. That's the worst. I'll try to finish it off before lunch. If not, I'll stay back a bit today. Let me know if you need help. We can go over the numbers together. Thanks. Also, did you follow up with HR about the new hire? Yes, I checked in with them this morning. They said things are still being sorted out. Okay, good to know. We should touch base with them again tomorrow, just to be sure. Agreed. Let's not let this slip through the cracks. Absolutely. By the way, are we still on for the team meeting at 4? Yep, unless something else pops up. But I'll keep you posted. Perfect. Let's get through today and hope tomorrow's less chaotic. For today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.